All right, today is Wednesday and we are working on more problem solving this week. So here we go with the first problem. Tanya is working on a puzzle. She has placed 643 pieces. There are 1,000 pieces in the puzzle. How many more pieces does she need to place? So let's think about this. We know that she has put in 643 puzzle pieces. We also know that in the entire puzzle, so I'm going to make this big box, in the entire puzzle, there are 1,000 pieces. And she's already put in 643, so she's doing a pretty good job. So the question is, how many more pieces does she need to put in to get up to 1,000 and complete her puzzle? So really, she's put in 643. How many more does she need to get to 1,000? So we're going to figure out how many more puzzle pieces. You can use an open number line. You might want to use a strategy that we talked about last week where you subtract one from the top, subtract one from the bottom, and then find the difference. There's lots of different ways that you can do it, but ultimately you want to find out how many more pieces she has to put in the puzzle to complete it and get to her 1,000 pieces, okay? All right, second problem today. In March, the class plants some flowers. Do we know how many? No, it just says March, so I'm going to write down March for you. It says that she plants some. We don't know how many that means. But in April, so let's write down April, they plant 178 more flowers. So 178. In the 2 months, so in March and April, they plant a total of 510. So this is our total, 510. So the question is, how many flowers do they plant in March? Well, we know the total. So again, we kind of have, maybe you might want to turn this into a math mountain. We know they planted 510. We know they planted 178 in April. The question is, how many do they plant in March? So you could set it up as a math mountain. You could use an open number line. You could use a quick draw. You can really do any strategy, guys, that is comfortable for you and an efficient strategy. I would not recommend drawing out, 510 tally marks and then crossing off 178. That would not be efficient and you would probably get highly confused. So think about something that's going to work for you and figure out how many flowers were planted in March. So here's kind of an idea of what you might work on, and good luck.